How to fix Google Play payment decline error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you steps on how you can fix payment decline issue on your Google Pay account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're unable to make a payment for your Google Pay, or if you're constantly facing decline or error on your Google Pay, then what you need to do is, first thing, you need to make sure that your card and the address information is up to date. Make sure to check whether the card information is correct or not. Submit any extra information that is requested. Make sure not to skip any of these processes. And after that, on the step number 3, what you can do is you can check whether you have a sufficient fund for the purchase or not. If you don't have a sufficient fund, it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to make a payment or you're constantly facing an error. Once you've checked all of these, and if you're still unable to fix it, then you can directly contact your bank or the card issuer. And after that, you'll be notified about the issue. And if you see in statement something like your payment was declined due to an issue with your account, then make sure to check your account whether all of the information provided is correct or not. And after that, you might be able to fix the issue. So those were the method on how you can fix payment decline issue on your Google Play. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.